Boot it up. It's a quick one to make you laugh. A few videos gonna make you cry. Boot it up. It's just a quick video to make you laugh. A few short videos to make you laugh and have a little fun here on the Sunday afternoon. Do enjoy.
Me need a helper, not too old, not too young, not... Me not know about ugly people in my yard.
I see him where me feel too.
So, is this a case of Pat Akoskeku or Ninja does I say he's the only ugly person who is supposed to be in his household?
You don't know what the pelvis is. The pelvis they down here, so them bone you down here, so this make up your pelvis. Yeah. Empty the bucket. This is the rim of the bucket here. So if you tilt it down, you're emptying water onto my exercise mat. 4, 5 forward. So there's an effort here. Pulling myself forward and coming back. I come into the arch curve around the back, then slink it through again and back. Slink and back.
What was she talking about? What was she saying exactly? Because I didn't hear shit.
I ever go to heaven and God don't want to let me in heaven, I would just show God a picture or a video of my ex. And God will look upon it and say, this man already been through hell. Angels, please let him into heaven. He already been through hell already.
Brother, I know you and me and you are many men. And women too.
Go back where Spire come from. Me no business with that. I said go back where you coming from. Miss Banking, for your peaceful life, man, leave. You think you're big and hard? Yes, sir, just stand up there. Dust her out. You know about.
One day I look a dog poo in a man. I open door we didn't look a fin on. It's man if it's slapping pan in look a hand. Rude and bright. I tell the big man to leave. Eh? And why me just call the man money? Hey, if you enjoyed the video, just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share with your best ex and your worst ex. And just enjoy your evening. Stay blessed.